Oh my God! Oh my God! Sales are bad. Oh no, I'm not selling anything. Well, guys, there is an answer to this question. There is a question to that answer. Guys, if you've got videos like my friend here, Leanne, she is selling stuff on TikTok Shop. Now, the thing is, guys, what you do when you do a video, you upload it. Don't wait. Yeah, don't wait. Drive traffic to it. So she is selling a product that moisture trap. There you go. You can see the video. Now at the end here, just here, just there, it's you can copy the URL. You've got all the other socials. What you need to do, you TikTok Shop owners, is copy your link there or share it to something like a Facebook group. That's what you need to do. You need to share it. Yeah, don't wait for sales. Go and get sales. Take, as the farmers say, take the cattle to market. So that's what you do. So you go into Facebook and you find groups with the same subject that you're into. So that's a moisture trap. Where would the moisture trap be? Camping. Yes, they have them in their caravans. They've got to have the moisture traps in their caravans. So what do? You go on Facebook and you look for groups in there, and you find them. What you do is you join them. You join all these groups, and you copy their products from your TikTok into the groups. But there's a little tip, guys. Don't ask anyone to buy it. Don't say buy this. Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, go and say, what do you think? Right. You ask them, what do you think of this product? That's it. And in their chat, someone might have bought some, and they go in the chat, oh yeah, I've got them, they're very good. And where's the link? The link above is your product. So they click in and buy it. And that is a tip, guys. Always share everything on other platforms. It's the way it works. Yeah, if you open a shop, you go out and tell people to come in and have a look. And that's what you're doing. You're literally going out there onto other social platforms and saying, have a look at what we got, what I've got, what I'm selling. But don't ask people to buy it. No. Ask them to look or tell you what they think. There you go, guys. Go and share all your products on your other socials. So, guys, if anyone wants to join us, our agency, Network Q, the link is in the bio. The link is in the bio. Come and join us. We're all about training and support. We're all about helping each other along the platform. And also, guys, if you're a small business, with joining our agency, as long as you go live and talk about your business and stuff, you can come into our members area on the website. So on the website, we have a members area. I will show you now. We have a little members area, which is here, members area. Everyone that's got a business, so my friend Leanne's there, also 3D printing, and DJ Ash in Somerset, Cozy Caravan, they get a link because they're a member of the agency. And Captain Planet, unfortunately he's not a member, but he's always been supportive. Bees, JP Honey and his bees. So yes, we're all about working together. The platform and community always working together, and it's the best way to do it. You know, it's not just online. People are making things and helping each other on the platform. So you've got Richie Rich that's designed a logo, and Dixie Craft that's fantastic about 3D printing. And that's it. Come and join our community. The website has training stuff on there already. Some agencies only give you that training material after you join. We give it to you before. The reason is that's because we're nice, and it's all there to have a look. And most of the training videos and most of the training content on the website networkq.agency is made by the community, because it's about helping each other along. So guys, links in the bio if you want to join our amazing community. Take care, guys.